International Institute of Digital Marketing is a global certifying body founded in the USA by several long-standing marketers. We have years of experience in business, marketing, and more, and have put forth our combined experience to develop International Institute of Digital Marketing. You've worked on the strategies for marketing, but your work is calling for more in-depth, more advanced methods. The Licensed Digital Marketing Specialist course teaches you all of the high-level specialized information you need to know, from advanced marketing methods, adapting to a changing marketplace, learning unique web cultures, productive marketing methods to avoid, and more. Through this course, you'll learn how to thrive in markets that are already occupied or otherwise filled, through building brand loyalty and concise, concentrated efforts, as well as how to reach a specific audience so that your brand can grow within, building different strategies to match. It enables you to find a loyal audience and stand out among the grain. This course was designed with those in mind who are ready to adapt to the new world of marketing, as well as small business owners who want to grow or mature into their respective market. It is a perfect fit for those who want to establish a brand in the digital age. This was an International Institute of Digital Marketing informational video. To learn more, please visit www.thedigitalmarketinginstitute.org or subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more.